Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a Black Brothers 22D top-only glue spreader or roll coater. The rolls are 26 inches wide. It's open to its max daylight, which is going to be 5 1/4 inches. Up front, this is your rubber doctor roll. As you can see, it is in very good plus condition. Behind that is your applicator roll. Again, a smooth, solid rubber roll, and I would say that is in very good condition. There's some scratches, but they are not deep. You do have your 2 side seals, or sometimes people call these dams. So if we come around back of this machine, you're going to see an additional chrome doctor roll. Now this roll is a little bit special in that you can raise it up and down independently of your applicator roll. You can also move it in and out independently of that application roll. This is also 8 1/2 inch diameter, so this roll does match the applicator roll diameter. It also does have a built-in scraper. This is basically to give you an extreme uniform mill thickness, or it can help push, like let's say you're doing a filler, can help push that filler into your material. Down below you do have 2 drive rolls. On the front of that lower drive roll, you also do have a scraper down here. Of course, you have your adjustments for that doctor roll up front. Up top, you do have 2 numeric readouts. The reason why you have dual numeric readouts, the reason you see a pair of lead screws is, again, you can control the height of that applicator roll and that rear doctor roll's height separately. If we come in and if we push our bar in, this is going to be reverse. So in is reverse, neutral is going to be center, and of course, if you pull out, that is going to be forward. I'm going to turn on the chrome rear doctor roll. You do have 2 1.5 horsepower variable speed Reeves drives. The first Reeve drive powers, again, only your top applicator roll, doctor roll, and lower rolls, while this secondary Reeves drive powers only, and I mean only, that top chrome rear roll. If you look right here, you're going to see that there's this double handle here. So you've got a single handle, but you're going to see you have this secondary handle. Let's see if I can loosen that up real fast. This large handle is going to control the height, if you see me spinning this, of your top application front roll. This one here is to control the height of your rear chrome doctor roll alone. It locks in place into the other handle. And on top of this, you can use a brush to clean the rolls. So what you do is you take a brush like this and you would mount it here. There is just simply a screw. It's going to mount right here, and you do have a pneumatic cleaner. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.